Hi, Daniel. Good evening.
Oh, hi, Emma. Good evening. How are you doing today?
I'm doing well, thanks. Just taking my dog for a walk. We've been inside most of the afternoon, so she really needed to get out.
Yeah, I understand. Same here, actually. I'm walking Max, too. He always waits by the door around this time.
Really? Daisy does that too. The moment she sees the leash, she gets so excited.
Yes, exactly. Max starts jumping around like crazy.
Daisy runs in circles. It's very funny to watch.
Dogs really love their walks, don't they?
They really do. Your dog is very cute, by the way. I see him sometimes from my window.
Oh, thank you. That's nice of you to say. His name is Max.
Max. That's a great name for a dog.
Thanks. I thought it was simple and easy to call.
Yes, it is. Max! Max! He's very friendly.
He is. He loves meeting people.
That's nice. My dog is friendly too. Her name is Daisy.
Daisy? That's adorable. It sounds very sweet.
Thank you. I thought the name matched her personality.
It does. She looks very happy.
She usually is. Daisy is about 2 years old now.
Oh, nice. Max is a little older. He just turned 3 this year.
3 years old. That's a good age.
Yes, he still has a lot of energy, though.
I can imagine. It's a really nice evening for a walk today.
Yes, it is. The weather feels perfect.
Not too hot.
And not too cold either.
Exactly. I like walking around the neighborhood at this time of day.
Me too. Everything feels very calm.
Yes, it's quiet.
And peaceful.
Sometimes you can even hear the birds.
That's true. It's very relaxing.
And the dogs seem to enjoy it too.
Definitely. Max walks much slower in the evening.
Daisy too. She likes to stop and smell everything.
Max does that all the time.
Do you usually walk Max here every day?
Yes, most days. Usually after dinner.
That sounds like a good routine.
It works well for us. What about you?
I try to walk Daisy every evening too.
That's great.
Sometimes we come a little earlier, but today we came later.
Evening walks are nice, though.
Yes, they are.
Dogs really need this kind of exercise.
They do. It helps them stay healthy.
And honestly, it's good for us too.
Yes, that's true.
A little walking every day is good.
I agree.
Well, we should probably keep walking before it gets dark.
Yes, you're right. It's starting to get darker already.
It was really nice talking with you.
It was nice talking to you too.
Maybe we'll see each other here again tomorrow.
Yes, probably. We walk here a lot.
All right then. See you around the neighborhood.
See you, Daniel. Have a good evening.
You too.